In this quick video, I'll show you how to type @ on laptop or computer keyboard. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel. Also like this video. So typing @ symbol is really easy. For that we just need to hold shift on our keyboard and then press 2. You can see @ symbol is written. We just need to make sure that we are holding shift and then typing 2. After that our @ symbol will be written. But in most of the cases, people don't see this @ symbol here. They see this icon, which is this. It is because they have set different language on their laptop or PC. We just need to make sure that our laptop language is English. Now you can see I have different language. That is why icon is different. If we set it to English, you can see @ is now here. So to change our language to English, we just need to go to keyboard settings. We just need to click on our taskbar. You will see this option language. After that go to more keyboard settings and then we just need to click on add language. After that type here English and then we just need to download English language on our laptop or PC. We just need to download this language, which is English United States. Then click on next and then we can simply deselect these options which are optional. After that click on install. Now you can see English is now installed on my PC. So I just need to change my language now. So for that we will just go to taskbar and then click on this language. After that we will see multiple language. We just need to select this English United States and now you can see @ symbol is here. We need to hold shift and then press 2. Now you can see @ is now written. We just need to make sure our language is set to English. This is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.